can see this is my ancestor, and this is my Watch out. Watch out. This one will shock you, you know. It's a very wonderful delicacy. Say something, my brother. I know.
He got like it.
He got like.
No, but don't got like.
He got like when I first saw it, like you got like you're gonna kind. Big white person here only go but they like or I wish. We need that others follow. Then
one Igbo Amaka, and this one is a special birthday shout out to Chief Imo. He has been someone who has been entertaining us in this entertainment industry for quite a long time now, and his craft is something we all love. His mode of activities, you know, bringing the Igbo culture in its full regalia into comedy is something beautiful and worth appreciating. One day, as you celebrate your birthday today, more and more blessings. Everything you touch your hand shall continue to turn gold. Alright guys, I just decided to do this video just for Chief Imo. In the comment section, don't forget to wish him a happy birthday in the comment section. Subscribe if you are new here. Drop a comment in the comment section.